Hi, this is Chris 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the MagicMount Pro 2. This is a magnetic phone mount from Scosche, and this works with multiple phones that have the Magic mount here and that have the magnet from MagSafe from the iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 series devices. But then they also give you these attachable pieces here that stick to the magnets really strong. See, it's even moving the headpiece here. It is on there. Super strong magnets. Here's another piece that can attach. You can attach these to your Android phones, your Google phone, really whatever you have. And so this part sits on your dash like that. And then you can articulate the MagSafe head right here to however you want. Landscape and portrait mode. And here's some views on how that would work in portrait and landscape mode right there. And it shows you right here, so you can use the Android phones or other iPhones that are compatible with QI charging, like the iPhone 10, and then it's compatible with the MagSafe magnets right here. And this is to mount to the dash on your car. Here's some more details about it here. You can pause the video anytime and take a look, or you can look in the description and we'll have more details down there. This is to hold your phone while you have it in the car, and it is MagSafe compatible. This is the MagicMount Pro 2 from Scosche. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.